Good evening, man. Today we are going to start differential equation. This is the most important topic of the calculus portion. Okay. Now start. Differential equation, an equation involving the independent variable just like x, dependent variable y, and differential coefficient of the dependent variable with respect to the x, just dy by dx, d2y by dx square, and so on. Of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable is called the differential equation, right? For example, dy by dx plus 4y equal to x, and another form is the d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx whole square, and any trigonometric function just like sin x that is equal to 0 is a differential equation, right? There are different of the form of the differential equation. First we discuss the order and degree of the differential equation. This is the most important point. 1 marks generally question arise the board examination. What is the order and what is the degree of the various differential equation? For example, this expression, this differential equation is a linear or non-linear? Yeah, order. What is the order and what is the degree? Right? So order, what is the basically meaning of the order? Order is the highest derivative of the function. Order that means highest derivative of the function in that expression. In that expression, highest order of the derivative is the order, right? And degree is the maximum power of the exponent of the higher order derivative. Exponent, that means power of the higher order derivative, is known as degree, right? For example, in that equation, order and degree, the order is the one derivative d by dx, that is the maximum derivative. The order is 1, and degree is also 1, because maximum derivative exponent of the 1. And second equation, what is the order and degree? The order is the maximum power of the derivative. First of all, we find the maximum order of the derivative. Maximum order, that means d2y by dx square. Second derivative, right? Second derivative, d2y by dx square. And this is the first derivative, but also the exponent of the 2. So maximum order derivative is here. So order is 2. Okay? And degree, that means maximum order derivative is the exponent of the maximum order derivative. Exponent क्या है? That is the 1. So order is 2 and degree is 1. Okay? Order. And another form. So just we discuss the d2y by dx square plus x square dy by dx plus d3y by dx, that is equal to 0, and that is the 5 power of the, right? So what is the order and degree of the differential equation? What is the order and degree of the differential equation? This is the most important point. So order is the maximum derivative. Maximum derivative is the third order derivative, d3y by dx cube. Okay, d3y by dx cube, third order. So order is the 3, and degree is the exponent of in that. So degree is the 1, not degree is the 5, because higher order of derivative, exponent of the higher order. Okay, the exponent of the higher order is the degree, right? Yeah. Linear, and second point is the linear and non-linear differential equation. This is the basically very important point. Find the linear and non-linear derivative and degree and order, right? The linear differential equation, and differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and the derivative is the degree 1. So this is the linear. Linear, that means degree 1. Linear that means degree 1. Dependent variable and dependent variable of the derivative of the dependent variable is degree 1 is known as linear, and non-linear is the multiple of the dependent variable and derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the x is involving that equation is the non-linear. For example, x square dy by dx plus y into dy by dx plus sin x, that is equal to 0. This is the linear or non-linear? This is the linear or non-linear. So this expression is non-linear. Why? Because degree is the 2. In each expression, each term must be degree 1. Linear. And each expression, any expression, if the degree is the 2, so non-linear. And y into dy by dx involving that equation, so non-linear. Okay, this is the non-linear expression. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, बट ये लीनियर है या नॉन लीनियर है ये हमें चेक करना है. तो लीनियर के लिए हमने क्या कंडीशन बताई? लीनियर एक्सप्रेशन वो एक्सप्रेशन है जिसमें डिग्री आपकी क्या होनी चाहिए? 1 होनी चाहिए. फॉर ईच टर्म, हर एक टर्म की डिग्री 1 होनी चाहिए. एंड नॉट मल्टीप्लाई द y इंटू dy by dx. ओके, otherwise non-linear. So this expression x into dy by dx plus sin x, that is equal to 0. This is the linear differential equation because each degree is the 1, and x dy by dx plus y, that is equal to sin x, is the linear differential equation. This is the linear differential equation. So linear differential equation as the basically general expression. Linear differential equation is the general expression of the dy by dx plus py, that is equal to q, is the general form of the linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. P and q. Here P and Q are the function of x or constant. P and Q are the function of x or constant. Okay. So first of all, define the what is the solution of the differential equation. For example, dy by dx plus 1 by x into y, that is equal to x square. So solve the equation, and this is the very important point. Solve the differential equation. Dy by dx plus py equal to q. In comparing the both sides, so p is the 1 by x and q is the x square. So we get, first of all, integrating factor. Find out the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is the e के power integral p dx. So e के power integral p means 1 by x and dx. E के power log of x. So e के power, this is the most point here. E के power log of fx is the fx, because base is the e, so that is the x. The integrating factor is the x, and write the general solution is the y into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. In this expression, put the values of if means integrating factor, and solve we get. So here in this expression, y into integrating factor is the x, that is equal to integral of q is the x square into integrating factor is the x into dx plus c. So y into x, that is equal to x cube. This is the x cube dx plus of c. Integral of x cube is the x के पावर 4 by 4 plus c. So xy equal to x के power 4 plus 4 by c. This is the final answer of the differential equation. Solve the differential equation, right? So this is the topic of the differential equation, the general topic, and other different of the points, 3D vectors, and most important of the points. So thank you, man, thank you.